So, question 32, our last genetics question for here. Flamingos are birds that live in lakes. The feather colour of flamingos may vary from white, pink to red. So you've got three different phenotypes. To investigate the inheritance of feather colour, a scientist performed the following crosses and recorded the feather colour of all the offspring when 1 year old. The diet was also involved. So the big thing is I want to analyse the data first. I'm a big fan of looking at the data and then having a look at what's going on, just because I want to actually understand it first and foremost, obviously if time permits. Now, when we look at this, white crossed with white gives you white, and that diet is of offspring of aquatic plants. Red and white also gives you white, so the inference that people would make here, or am I making, is that white is dominant to red. However, the moment I get to this 3 and 4, where the diet of the offspring has changed, I look at white, and I would be expecting to have white offspring of all of them, but I have pink. And so that this difference shows, again, if we move down, that red and white give you pink also. So that idea of it being dominant is actually false. The only difference here, though, nothing's different with the crosses. The only difference is this, the diet of offspring. So I'm actually thinking that the environment is influencing this particular phenotype heavily. So I'm just going to look for anything that looks in terms of the environmental influences. So if I look around, C says the feather color of flamingos is influenced by their environment. I'm just going to go straight to C and tick that as correct. We could go through all these other ones, but the sheer fact that you've actually kept these 1, 2, 3, and 4 crosses consistent, but you've actually had an outcome of all pink offspring means that this is linked. The idea of having pink offspring to the diet of being algae and crustaceans. So therefore the answer is C.